You guys have been hounding us to do another bike giveaway. It's 2021, here we are. We're gonna give away a brand new Sherco 2021 300 SEF. 11 G's, man, are you kidding me? You can buy one of these tickets, 10 bucks, man. I think that's maybe like a Happy Meal, not including the free toy. And hey, man, there's no computers involved. We're gonna have somebody pull this thing out of a goddamn bucket and you're gonna see there's no fuckery. Someone's gonna win. You know what I'm talking about. Enter, your wildest dreams will come true. Vote for Pedro.
I tried this, tried that, tried everything. Sherco 300 4-stroke. They're like, yeah, it doesn't have much power. Well, I'm at about 9,000 feet. I weigh about 235 with gear on. Takes a little monster. You know, you learn how to use one of these. Watch out, brother. Little thing kicks ass. So light. Some people say it's a little twitchy. I think it's just the power makes you a little afraid. So it feels maybe a little twitchy for some. Just saying. Yeah.
Go up, and the gate is going to drop on the 2020 Enduro Cross Championship.
Cody Webb is on a new ride this season, the Sherco 300. It's a bike based and built out of France. He grew up racing trials on the Sherco, so it kind of feels like home. And when the team reached out to him to spearhead their Endurocross effort, he jumped on the opportunity. He said being a beacon, being a leader for this team and its development is exactly where he wanted to be, so it's a good fit for Cody Webb on the 2-bike.
We're gonna give away over an $11,000 bike, a 2021 300 SEF. It's the little monster, man. This light 4-stroke rips. Cody Webb used it for the 2020 Endurocross season. This thing is a little monster, man. So get out there. We're gonna be selling tickets for this. You can get them at insideenduro.com, 10 bucks a ticket. The more tickets you buy, the more chances you have to win.